Miladi. Welcome to Ask Aunty. Aunty, question today is, as a non-Aboriginal person, is it okay for me to refer myself to as a Gubba?
That one made me laugh, Carla. Gubba, for those who don't know, is an Aboriginal English word for a non-Indigenous person, and it comes from governor or government, which was the first mob our people were dealing with. So then that became the generic term for all non-Aboriginal people everywhere. But we use it particularly in Southeast Australia. And it just made me laugh. Of course, you can use it to call yourself that, or as Gary Foley says, the Gubs.
The Gubs. And this was from a person up Bundjalung country, northern New South Wales. And they said, they would use it in a self-deprecating way.
Yeah, but that's fine to introduce yourself. I've heard people say that I'm just a Gubba, what would I know, or whatever, but perfectly okay to use.
Yes. And I use it like when we're up northwest in Australia, the word there is Gadia.
Gadia.
And so I do refer myself as Gadia.
Yep, but go for it, mate.
Yeah.
Use Gubba.
And you'd go Gona and Ask Aunty.